There's a bird stuck right here trying to find a way out when the door's literally opened. Oh! He just flew into the door. Go. No. Okay. No. Wrong way. How? I know I'm not supposed to touch it. No. Okay.
You'll get salmonella.
Come on. This.
So cool.
Out this. Okay. Shut the door so Charlie doesn't run out and attack it. I don't know what to.
Oh, a blue jay!
Ah.
You just touch it?
No, I'm trying not to. Shut the door.
Come here.
Okay, hang on. It's gonna go out. No, wrong way. Ah, I got a broom. Yeah, yes. Good birdie. You escaped. Okay, bye.